Hey guys, I'm Crashville. In my backyard and stuff, looking at the beauty of nature with a little bit of shit everywhere. So this place, yeah, all the place. We had grass, we had some trees. What we got here? We got some trees. I'm sorry, I'm probably recording. This is how you record a video. Anyways, we got trees. Can I edit this? Did I pause it? Nope. Didn't pause. There's no editing in this phone. It's like freaking May 5th. I have no recollection of what time. I think it was like 7 or 6. Hey, who's there? Let's see. So this looks like my old pool when I was like 5 years old, but not like 12. You can see that. You know what? I'm not sure. Anyway, a little bit of land, trees there. The beauty of nature's upon us. But you know what? Look at my videos lit now and then. Oh guys, I can talk to you later. It's like dark. It's like 7. Guys, hold on, let me take up these stairways. You see guys, I got a little higher to show you the beauty of nature. Yeah, take a while to put that in. Smell the old barbecue trash shit straight there and shit. You smell that? It smells like shit. I got enough to you. We are the cat. I don't know how that song goes. Yeah, beauty of nature's upon us as we live. Guys, when you see this video, take a while. Be nice to nature. See you later. Peace out. Demons in. Song Demons.